So apparently I am a package hoarder because I have 3 boxes that I need to go through, and these are all from Vego, and these are some really nice products that I can't wait to show you. So let's go ahead and get these open. And I'm really sad because my cat loves to lay on the boxes by the door. So whenever we get a bigger size box, I put it over here and she sits up here and she waits for the mailman. But here's our mail slot. Is there any mail in here? No, he hasn't come yet. But she sits up here and she waits for the mailman every day, which is super cute. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Sierra and I garden in Ohio Zone 6A. On this channel, we talk about gardening, houseplants, and then I share with you guys some of my favorite products that I use. And in today's video, we are going to be sharing some Vego products. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and open this up. I could easily go and get scissors, but I don't know why I always have to tear my packages open like He-Man or something. I don't know why. I never go and get the scissors, and I should. All right. There we go. Look at this. We've got some seed starting trays in here, or tray. I love these trays, by the way. They are so heavy duty, tough. This is like what I would call like a lifetime product. Like you wouldn't throw this away. You would keep this forever. Humidity dome. And then it also has these that you can shift up and down to open and close to allow airflow. These are so cute actually. And they have like this little leaf on them. Super cute. Oh my gosh. These are huge. These are the biggest these are the biggest seed trays I have ever seen. Wow. So we've got a humidity dome, and then we've got this behemoth here. So these are the Giga seed starting trays, and look how big the seed cells are. Huge. I could probably put my fist in here. That's how big they are. My goodness. These are gigantic. And there are 2. They sent out 2. And then let me move this box. So we've got these 2 here. My gosh, I have not seen anything like this before. This is just incredible. Look how big these holes are. Now this, typically when you're growing in seed starting trays or pots, you have something, cells that are much smaller to accommodate growing a large amount of plants at one time. These, however, you can start your seeds in these and then leave them in there for a long time. So if you are someone who starts seeds every year, then you know how quickly seedlings grow out of those seed starting pots. This, you will be able to leave them in there for much longer. Or you could start in the small containers, the small seed starting cells. Vego has smaller cells than this of seed starting trays. And then you can transplant up to here, and this can be like your next step up for your seedlings. But there's lots of ways to use this. This is incredible. Okay, so let's see how we can configure this on our tray. So we've got, oh my God, This fits so perfect. This fits so perfect. So we've got this here. So then we could do this and this. Let me move my little placemat out the way. So we could do this or this way or this way. So like having separate humidity domes. These also have vents on them, which is pretty cool. You want ventilation in your domes so that your soil doesn't grow mold, basically. This will lock in humidity, and when you're first starting your seeds, you want to have this closed. Once your seedlings actually germinate and start growing, you'll want to go ahead and open these up. And this is really cute that they give you this little handle up here. So cute. Okay, so the next setup is this. Let's see how this works. Perfect. So either option is perfect. They just snap on. Well, they don't snap on, but they sit on there very well. Okay, so let me show you my seed starting shelf from Vego, and we'll go ahead and set this on there so you can see what it all looks like together. So cute. How nice does that look? So that is so cool. I just love looking at those. So I've got seedlings growing up here on the Vego shelf, and then I have seedlings growing here, all under the Vego light system, and they're doing so good. So I use foil to reflect light back on my plants to kind of keep it all within here. And I think it's doing really well. These seedlings I started about 2 weeks ago, and I need to go in and thin because I kind of overseeded a bit, but after I thin, they'll do really well. And these are going to go out into my fall garden, and I'm so excited about that. So another cool feature of this humidity dome is that I can actually put the light right on it. Isn't that cool? You can get the light so close to the seedlings this way, and that's really what you want for seedlings, because the farther away the light, the more the seedlings are going to stretch for light, which is why I have this tray on books to bring them closer to the light, and why I have the foil here to trap the light and keep the light all around the plants. All right, now it's time to open up our next Vego package. I decided to use an actual tool to help me open up this box instead of fighting, since this is a heavier taped box and a heavier duty box. Woo, she's pretty. Let's go set her up on the wood post. Woo, nice. Fits perfectly. So when we first put a retractable hose up, we took a 2x4 and cemented it in the ground, and then we mounted the hose onto the 2x4. Very easy to put together. I've got discount codes for you, so make sure you check the description and in the comments section. I'll post them in both places. Happy gardening, guys. Let me know if there's anything that you have questions on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me set up the Vego retractable hose, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the Giga seed starting set. I cannot wait to use that. I'm so happy to have a new hose. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and be sure to check out my links for the products and check for some discount codes too. Those might be in the description as well. You never know. You got to go check. Anyways, happy gardening. Bye.